understand it, Dion. So, I way you're preaching about love. You're trying your best. You want Abba to reciprocate. But it's not forthcoming. You don't force people to like you. You don't force people to love you. It's not a do or die affair. Even when marriages don't work, you go your separate ways. When relationship is at stake, is not working, you go your separate ways. More or less a normal friendship, a hello friend. You and Abbott are rivals, know it. Or where am I? It's normal. It's a natural philosophy. You cannot change it. It's unchangeable. Yourself and Abbott are rivals. You know it. You know it. That one is normal. Where you mean Abi no invite Abbott to a birthday. You and I know Abbott is day. Yes, it might be a payback time. Uwe party my fo Abbott way I for eri mi ogo makpo eri no pe mo etiro eri Ecuador Ecuador yes eri anyon iro. It might be a payback, but if you want to pay back, not in that manner, you're risking yourself as well. You don't go to people's house uninvited, especially Abbott. Abbott we marry Abema cousin Bene. Abbott iwe party na my way tujo. So that the baby be my okay, I will no more tujo. Saloba negyo ma we I will you okay ujo. Oni. So why that's a caricature, man. You just want to play pranks on him. And you know about Nimaya will not want to relent. You just made jest of him. Truth be told. Truth be told. Although Ezuwa miate Kayamata ne Regina Gwe Okwonide. Efo Beni Akaire Regina Doe I remember so Moasane. I remember so Nedi Odengbe. Voila, not too much. So, Mr. Dion Osage and Mr. Abbott, in this very issue, this very one, this very present one, you are wrong. When always you know you don't go to people's house uninvited. Despite the fact when Nigeria maye and yes, it behave. But in as much you behave like that, everybody knows you and Abbott are not friends. So what are you gonna do in his house? Why yata? You guys don't even have unfinished projects. There's no unfinished projects for that. Okay, assume me or okay getting well okay no imagine because I saw you when you were at the gate there. Dola why man I can't greet you. Let peace reign. You know you and I know between you and Abbott, peace will not reign unless God himself said yes, this is the appropriate time. You know carry many. Or what tell me said doy. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Allah no riofen, ari go kofen. Allah no riofen, ari go kofen. There's no reason for that. You just want to. You just want to make a mockery of him. That's a caricature play. I don't like it. Awa. He said it. He made a declaration. Stand by it. Stand by it. That you guys are not friends. It's even better he say it publicly than pretending now. So accept the fact that he said you guys are not friends. Accept it. And why do we all say, I will give you a millions of reasons, 1,001 reasons. But I will decide to keep it for myself for now. Okay. Let her bad be for now. Unless there is a hidden agenda that I don't really know. Unless there is something is inching you of something that is like Osolo school video. Are you getting it? If there is anything like that, speak up. But if there is none, let him be and let the sleepy dog lie. For me, my own. Now I can't talk. And Abbott, your public declaration, like You don't declare a thing like that. It's only God that can declare a word and it will come to stay. If there's a short story, a drama Bini drama those days. Oh, Biana wo ovi la so person with the drama. Don't say why look at the tail end. Onwa obi ina do akwon obi no giga no Mr. Afun Bero owa ene no gi obi eni gi kwon ọmọ ni amakwe no obi eni gba ogi no ma ni amakwe no obi eni home Sylvester wadi ara eni no obi Prince Okoroso obi ogwe na amakwe no obi eni home obi no gigi kwon mi ona do aroto o. The only thing to make him come back to life, and he was the only son of he was the only Okoro to the throne that's going to take after his father. At the tail end, the only person who had to revive him back to life was Oyoyogwe. Oyoyogwe na we have a kwe. Obi yeni eti jagbamidi nere no ya tegbemu. In as much as eta ari Oyoyogwe yeki. Level because of your going. So you can hear your mukpani and ya feel one of your daffing. I to beg. And when I am an often, I am your one take me. Enough call it way. But I hear my bomb. I love where your level, a mammy no jo. Another bomb no jo. But that particular day. Or in a year's mweze amo boki siri amwe norowa ayamu agbaunzele the same word yata no gena gie na gie oyogwe no lare oyogwe na le giun gie no ge no to boy tori verio yere henye wonare yenye winye pabori don't take the drama don't take yes back no get choice again. For that drama, no be no get of Dutchland while they are fearing with your mom. No get come on for a throne, go meet to Yogwe. You see, but nobody is above law. Nobody. Even if you're angry, you're mad at what he did. Yes, I can understand. But there are some declarations, even if you want to you pause. And say, no ever there be error. He have to leave his throne because that is his only child. Then, in that drama, on a boy, la I think when you got it, and you got it sense. And both of them in love. And that was one yard dinner. Ebo nojo me ke no ile ni forest nojo ebere ne be no mare no rire ona do mi eyo iwe when the drama yaje ri adegbe adiagbon ya do mare no gina do gwa we yeva do you understand. So nobody knows tomorrow. No ena huero ima ena huero we ma ena huero sakpa ena huero I don't know tomorrow. You don't know tomorrow. Even my viewers, they don't know tomorrow. So what are we not saying? That is okay. You guys are adults. Men above 40s. Oh, come on. You know what you want. But by so doing, okay? For now. And to my social media fans, I love you all. And please, those of us that still can put a call to Mama Apaka, try and give her words of encouragement. Try and let her know there is life. She can live again.